Hey guys, I apologize for my last video. When I'm looking into the camera, I see me very well. Well, it don't show everything very well and had already put it on YouTube. I didn't even edit it. I just had forwarded it, and I'm sorry that all of it is not showing exactly what I was cooking. But then I told you I was coming right back because I'm making chicken soup. So I think maybe I need the camera back more. So I boiled some chicken in the pot, and that is the juice. And let me get my gloves because I am cooking this for my church. When I cook other people's food, I do put on gloves. So it made a chicken like a chicken broth. I took all the chicken that I boiled and I went through it and felt through it to make sure that there's no bones because it's going to be a chicken soup. So we're going to put that back in. We're going to put all this chicken. All I did is season it with salt, pepper, and onion powder and garlic powder. So I'm going to put it back in the water. Well, the juice, because now it's now, seeing that we're going through a lot with this government, and there are going to be people that don't get food stamps, y'all going to have to not talk about stealing food and what y'all going to do if they don't give you food stamps. Use stuff in your house that you got in your cupboard and make meals come together. Trust God for stuff. This God going to provide for those that's serving him. So we got the chicken in there. It was got a lot of juice from me boiling. Now, I cut up some potatoes and carrots. I'm going to throw them in there. And you can basically put anything you want in your chicken soup. I got about a fourth, like this much butter. Put that in. I'm even going to open some cans of soup to add with it. This is just extra cans I got in the house. So we got some potatoes and some carrots. So I make a Jamaican chicken foot soup, and I use these packets. So I'm going to add 2 of these packets to it. Like some people would use bouillon cubes, but this really braised chicken flavor soup mix, it really makes a nice soup. So I'm going to get this hot a little bit. And I'm going to take a can of vegetables and throw it in, mixed vegetables. This is just easy stuff, and you can eat off of a pot for your family. You can eat off a big pot like this of soup for days. And I'm going to pour the juice from this right in there. I'm going to stir this. You don't need to put no more salt and pepper because you're going to put that, see, nice big old pot of soup. I'm going to get some crackers to go with it. And that's easy, guys. That's very easy meal. So, don't go thinking, because don't try to make us look bad as a nation to show them that we going to fight back by stealing food. I ain't stealing nothing. I believe in God providing for me. He's not going to let me suffer. Y'all better start reading that Bible, because when the Israelites was walking in that desert, they was going through for 40 days and 40 nights, but God provided for them. We too spoiled as Americans. We eat, and that's why I'm as big as I am. I said maybe God trying to show us that we throw away a lot of food, where there's countries that don't even have enough food, like Africa, and we throw it. And I guess he say, it's time to show y'all something. Because I think this government shutdown is going to stay for a while. And I think we get ready to go through a lot of discipline and suffering because we took advantage of the good things God gave us. So anyway, back to the meal. So the pot is getting hot. I see the steam. Nice chicken soup with a lot of chicken and vegetables. So I'm going to add this pack, 2 packs of this. Oh, can't even tear it. And it's got little noodles in it. So I got everything in this pot. I'm going to make sure y'all see stuff this time. When I looked at the camera on the last video, I thought everything was doing good. Lots of chicken, lots of vegetables. Alright guys, not a long video. Thanks for watching your girl. Cooking with the auntie. Don't forget, share me with your friends and subscribe.